Welcome to another video in the Simplicity Studio and Tools series from Silicon Labs. I'm Martin Looker. In this video we'll be taking a look at the Network Analyzer tool, and once again I'll be using the Bluetooth Blinky example application. The Network Analyzer allows radio communications to be analysed, but it provides more features than a simple packet sniffer. The inputs are taken from the baseband of each connected radio device, allowing detailed data such as timestamps, link quality, receive sensitivity, and CRC pass or fail results to be collected. Just like the Energy Profiler, the Network Analyzer is able to monitor multiple nodes. If you need to monitor a large network, you can distribute nodes over an area by making use of the ProKit Ethernet connection. To start, first connect to the device in the Debug Adapters panel, and then select Start Capture. The top part of the display shows a timeline of radio activity. The next panel shows nodes that have been encountered by the device. And next is the Transaction panel. This groups together commands and replies. Finally, working down is the Events panel, which shows the individual packets of data. At the moment, we can see that we are advertising and receiving responses from other Bluetooth devices in the vicinity. Selecting an event shows the detail in the top right panel and the hex dump in the lower right, and also identifies the node or nodes in the top panel. This packet has been identified as an advertisement indication from our Blinky example. In the Detail panel, you can dig into the data using the drop-down. Selecting a specific field like the local name will highlight the data in the hex dump, and you can go the other way too by selecting hex bytes. If there is data you're not interested in, like scan requests and responses, they can be filtered either by using the expression builder or right-clicking in the view and hiding the transaction type. Let's connect to the Blinky device. We can see the data exchanges that take place on connecting and the discovery of the services offered by the device. If I turn the light on, we can see the write request and response packet. Similarly, if I press the button, we can see the notifications of the button being pressed and released. Files can be saved, reloaded, and even exported into other file formats like Wireshark, if you prefer to analyze the data outside Simplicity Studio. The Network Analyzer is able to decode other network protocols. It will attempt to automatically detect the protocol in use, but you can narrow them down by going into the Network Analyzer settings in Simplicity Studio's Preferences window. Finally, when working with saved files, you can look at events and jump between the Energy Profiler view and Network Analyzer views. If you visit docs.scilab.com and go into the Simplicity Studio, Tools, Energy Profiler information, you can find instructions for using this advanced feature. You'll also find documentation for using the rest of Simplicity Studio and its tools here. You can find links to this documentation in the video description, along with links to the other videos in this series. To be notified of new videos from Silicon Labs, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.